Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Up with Mopriya. Thank you so much for showing all your love and support to this channel over the last few weeks. I'm amazed to see the kind of enthusiasm and dedication that all of you are showing towards improving your spoken English skills. However, if you want to be successful and you want to make the right kind of impression on people around you, do you think spoken English is enough? The answer is no. Therefore, to help you become successful individuals, not just in your careers but also in your personal lives, I am launching this series wherein every Tuesday I'm going to share some valuable soft skills tips that you can utilize and make sure that you are creating the best impression on people around you. You have probably heard about the term soft skills being thrown around here and there, but do you really know what they mean? So let me take you to the world of soft skills and describe what they actually mean and what they are and how you can develop them in this series. Remember, whenever you are learning something new, always try and share it with people around you, and that's how knowledge spreads. So let us first understand what soft skills are. Soft skills is nothing but the glue that binds people together. It is that element in your personality that changes good to great. Imagine walking into a room and instantly connecting with everyone, or resolving conflicts in a very simple and calm manner, or confidently presenting your ideas in front of people. How wonderful will that be? These are some of the exact things that you can do with the help of the right kind of soft skills. Always remember, soft skills are not just for your career or professional growth. They are very important for your day-to-day personal relationships as well. You can use soft skills to lead teams, to build strong relationships with people, and also to achieve your personal goals. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a professional, a housewife, or a retired person. Building and developing your soft skills can help you unlock your true potential. Now let us try and understand what exactly soft skills are and how we can break them down. Number one, the most important soft skills, and I would say the most underrated one, is your communication skills. I have told this earlier as well that spoken English and communication skills are not the same thing. So very important to keep that in mind and work towards developing effective communication techniques. While working on your communication skills, it is important to work on clearly communicating your ideas and effectively putting them in practice. It is also important to pay equal attention to your verbal as well as non-verbal communication. The next most important soft skills in today's world is emotional intelligence. It is the skill of being able to understand and manage your emotions in different situations and also being able to empathize with others whenever you are interacting with them. The third and another crucial soft skills is problem solving ability. It is very rare in today's world. However, it is one of the most sought after skills that you can develop. Being able to find smart solutions to complicated problems is one thing that pays you really well in life. Teamwork is the fourth soft skill that you definitely need to develop. While working, being able to effectively collaborate with others, whether you are working for someone or whether you are working on your own, is something that you will have to do every day. So it is very important that you work on your teamwork qualities and be able to work in harmony with others. And number five, you need to pay attention to your leadership skills as well. It is very important not just to do your own work, but also to inspire and guide others and help others in becoming great leaders for tomorrow. So, working on your leadership skills is another soft skill that will really pay you well. Now, remember this, these five soft skills were just a few examples. The list goes on, and every Tuesday, I am going to talk about one important soft skill with you. Now, the best part about soft skills is that they are like muscles. The more you work on them and the more you make them exercise, the better they are going to grow for you. In this series, we are going to go in depth with every soft skill that I discuss, and I'm going to give you practical tips and ways in which you can develop those skills. I'll share real life stories, interactive challenges, and practical tips to try and keep you engaged and motivated throughout this journey. So, if you're excited about this series, let me know in the comment what are the soft skills that you know and what are the ones that you are eager to learn. And I'm going to be back next Tuesday with the first soft skill and discuss that with you in detail. Till then, thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye.